Welcome to my channel where we make structural engineering design simple and easy. My name is Olodukonyede and I'm your host. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel and everyone who are yet to subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. All those who have been sending encouraging words and some wonderful questions, we say we appreciate you. We really do appreciate you. So if you are here to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. I'll be glad to have you in our team. So we got a question from one of our subscribers, and that is what we will be talking about today. We will be talking about it. So we have Trade Smart HQ. Trade Smart HQ didn't tell us where you are chatting us from and which location. If you're in Nigeria, please tell us the state. If you're outside Nigeria, please tell us the country so that we know how far our channel is getting across. You said doesn't solve after you have done all that analysis. The beam again and all will be in X again if there is those red inside after bash mode. Trade Smart, please, if I'm not getting you right, please chat me back so that I know if what I'm understanding is what you are trying to say. So if I understood your question very well, you are saying you've done the analysis again and your beam are still showing X, as in they are not okay, and after the bash modes they are still showing red. If I understand you very well, is how you can correct your beam reinforcement if they are still showing you red or X. If I understand you rightly, let me still know, and I'm going to explain this, but please, if it's not, chat me up and explain it better. But if it is, still let me know. So let's assume we've done our analysis, everything. Now we'll go to ROC design to this, and now you are still having X. Let's assume you're having X and some are green. What I said is to double click on it. Me to show you this, just say yes, yes. So let's assume you are having the issue here, meaning this reinforcement is not enough. Two ways you can do it is either you increase the number of the reinforcement is out, or you increase the diameter. No, not this. Okay, you can either increase the diameter or you increase the numbers. So if you do that, the red will go out, the red will go out. So if you've done that, you say okay, it becomes green. But if you do bash, let's assume bash, you see some options, check steel, select new steel when previous bars are insufficient, check steel, don't select steel when previous bars are insufficient. So if you do bash, it will check everything but it won't correct anything, or you can say re-select all bars. So it all depends on what you click here, but most time is on default here, that don't touch anything. The way it is, leave it, but just run your analysis. So if you now say okay, it will run the analysis, do everything again, but your instruction to it is this. You've instructed it that after you've run your analysis, don't correct anything, that you do the correction manually by yourself. So it is based on the instruction you give. So let's assume we select this and we say run. So let's allow it to run and see. So if you look carefully, it has automatically done its correction. So but if you do bash and you tell it will always be on this default, do not touch anything. So it all depends on what you want. If you say reselect, it will do it and suggest it on its own, but if you leave this, it won't. So I don't know whether this answered your question, but if it did not, please let me know. So if anywhere is still showing red or whatever, double click on it, and where the red is, it will show here. So you can either increase it or increase the diameter. So it all depends on what you tell it to do. So I hope this answered the question, but if not, please still let me know so that I can either fine-tune the answer to your question. So also, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and there is another service we'll be rendering. We'll be doing designs, real life projects for our subscriber. If you have an ongoing project that you want us to be part of, please chat me up and we'll be glad to be part of that your project. So if you have any um, building 3-story, whatever amount of floors you are doing and you're having challenges, please chat us up. Let's see how we can be part of that your project. And if you're still here to subscribe to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'll be glad to have you in our team. So until I come again, I say remain blessed. Time.